Hello, this is my 2004 Skoda Octavia RS and the tires are a little bit low pressure. So I bought this air compressor and I want to see if I can pump up the tires with this. I just bought this second hand. Nice, that looks good. Power Plus. I mean, I'm a grown man, I can figure this out. This is yeah, so it's a little lock system. Did I drop a few bits? Oh, there we go. This bit goes between the air gun and the tire. 2.5 bar is what my tires need. I'm a grown man, but let's just read this anyway. Only use 1.5 minutes and then cool down again. Let me just check this thing fits on these wheels. Would this work? Okay, I feel some air escaping, so 2.1 bar, is that it? Okay. I'm gonna turn it on, then let it get up to pressure. There's no pressure gauge on the thing. On the video that I watched, there was one. So I'm gonna turn it on. I think it's now more pressure. I hope I'm using it safely and correctly. Turn it off, then connect it. I did it wrong. I have to keep it off, then connect the tube, and then turn it on. Let me just clean up a little bit. Okay, now I'm here at the soft tire. You can see it on the video, but I can really push this in with my thumb. So it's really weak. I'm gonna connect it. Now it's connected. Now I can. Oh, the air pressure gauge isn't quite working, so I don't know when it's reaching the right pressure. So it says like one bar, but that's obviously not correct. These should be about 2.5 bar. Alright, well that's better, but I don't know the exact air pressure now. Let me think, what do I do? This is fine. It's a bit too hard maybe. Too much pressure. Nah, it'll be fine. Let me just do the rear tire as well. It says 2 bar, 2.3, but it should be more. Okay, that works. Yeah, here it works better. Maybe the tire is broken or flat. Maybe that's a reason why the pressure gauge doesn't quite work, because it doesn't indicate the correct pressure. Even without power or whatever, yeah, like 1 bar. But I mean, it's clearly not 1 bar. Yeah, that feels a lot better. Much better. Okay, great. This is a nice tool. My tires are ready for my trip today. I can use this again in the future. Put it here with the other devices. Oh. Ta-da!